In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Stripe account step by step, whether you've decided to take a break or switch to a different payment service. Closing your Stripe account is a straightforward process. We'll go through each step clearly so you can follow along with ease. First, you'll want to log into your Stripe dashboard. This is your central hub for all things related to your Stripe business account, from managing payments to accessing various settings. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Settings and click on it. This is where you'll be able to access a variety of options to manage your account details, preferences, and business information. After you've clicked on Settings, you'll see a series of options organized under different sections. Here, you need to focus on the section called Account Settings. Within this section, there's an option labeled Business. Click on this option. It might seem like a simple step, but it's an essential part of ensuring everything is properly organized under the correct business identity you wish to close. This helps Stripe identify which account to proceed with in the closing process. Once you've clicked on Business, you'll find several settings related to your business profile. Now, what you need to do is scroll down the page slightly. As you navigate down, you will see an option labeled Close Account. It can be a bit tucked away, so don't hesitate to take a moment to locate it. This step is where you confirm your decision, so make sure you're ready to proceed before clicking. When you click on Close Account, Stripe will likely present a pop-up or a confirmation message asking you to confirm this decision. They do this to ensure that the closure is intentional, preventing accidental closures, which can be quite inconvenient. Take a moment to review the information provided. Make sure that you've completed or exported any necessary data or transaction records you might need down the line, because once you close the account, accessing this information might not be possible. After confirming your decision, follow any additional prompts to finalize the closure. At this point, your account will begin the process of being closed. Once completed, you'll receive a confirmation email from Stripe indicating that the account has successfully been closed. If you don't receive an email, it might be a good idea to reach out to Stripe's customer support to ensure everything was processed as intended. And there you have it, a simple and efficient way to close your Stripe account. Remember, if you ever need to access Stripe's services in the future, you can always create a new account. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.